Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add music to Messenger Story from an Android phone. First, go to Messenger app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, tap on the Stories tab shown at the bottom line. Then, hit the Add Story button and tap on the camera to choose any media. Here, allow Messenger to access your camera and record a small video. Now mute the sound and reach the Facebook app. After that, tap on Create Story and select the music option. Next, search for any music you want and tap on it. Following that, choose the background and post the story. In the end, go to the Messenger app again and you will see that your story is posted. That's how you can add music to Messenger Story from Android phone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.